Preheat breakfast sandwich maker until green preheat light comes on. Lift over, top side and cooking plate. Lightly brush butter one side of each side of sandwich maker. Place one bread slice on sandwich maker. Spread pizza sauce over the bread. Keep cheese slice over it. Keep chicken tikka, sausages, capsicum, onion, and black olives. Keep cheese slice at the top and cover it with bread slice. Close cover. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Lift up side of sandwich maker and brush butter on sandwiches and close cover for more 1 minute. If you want more crispiness, then you can increase your sandwich maker timing. Lift up side of sandwich maker and carefully remove sandwiches with plastic spatula. Sandwiches are ready.